Hello, friends. We are back at Walgreens, everybody's favorite Saturday clearance store. And I did see some people posting on Instagram about 90% off snacks. So I did go to a couple stores and two of them I found nothing. One store I actually found a couple items. So the first that I found were the Hers Carolina Reaper and the jalapeno popper. It must be popper, not topper. But they're just like I guess it's like a knockoff of like a Cheeto, but really really hot. I did look at the expiry date on them. And they don't expire till August. So if you're going to have a cookout or, you just have a bunch of teenagers in the house that like hot snacks, um, I would try and head out there ASAP because this is 90% off and they are trying to get rid of it. Maybe the ounces of the bags have changed. I noticed they had smaller ones in a display. Those were still full price, but these big mamas, 90% off. So all of you can sleep tonight. It is jalapeno poppers. If you like hot stuff, I mean, by all means, I would be looking for these. Yeah, really good price at 29 cents. Use some Walgreens cash. And just to show you, this is an end cap. So at the end of the aisle where they merchandise more items, and this was a whole bunch of like clearance chips. So that's where I found them, just in case you're like, well, where did you find it? That's where I found them. It wasn't in the regular chip aisle. But definitely look at the different snacks that they have because you might be surprised what you're finding. Another find were the Werther's original caramel popcorn and sea salt and pretzels. So you're getting a bit of that sweet and savory. And this was not even tagged, but it was on clearance for 49 cents. I saw a couple people post that. So definitely be on the lookout, guys. Anything that might have an orange tag, ask a cashier in a very nice way, like, could you possibly give me a price check? And you might be surprised. These are the three snack items that I found. But, look in the clearance aisle, look in the snack aisle, and don't be shy to ask for a price check. It's always a year mileage may vary as well. So what's happening here in Michigan might be the same as Texas. However, it might be completely different in Maine. I'm always saying Rhode Island. So Maine is our store today. That's not, but you never know. Maine might have the same clearance as I. Also, if you want to walk down the skincare aisle, this Neutrogena Stubborn Texture, I think it's some sort of like toner if you have really bad painful acne. So this was originally $19.99 down to $1.99. I checked both the Werther's popcorn and this item if IBOTTA might have a rebate for either item. No, and there was no digital coupon for this either. But if you've been wondering about this toner, it looks really interesting. I didn't buy it. It would just be an item I'd have in my stockpile just because, and in case somebody really needs it, I just left it at the store. But definitely, I would look for this. This was the only product by Neutrogena that I saw on clearance. I was looking for some Olay clearance, but somebody beat me to it because it was all completely gone. And we have some high value Olay coupons, I think, that are expiring really soon. That's what I was looking to try to use today, but hot apple fail. This product I've never heard of before. It's called Urban Hydration, 90% off for $1. I don't know. It seems kind of interesting. I don't know why this store had so much like little items on clearance. It was also a store with a beauty counter, if that might help you out, because I haven't seen this in smaller stores, this Urban Hydration. I've seen the Neutrogena stuff and the Werther's popcorn, but the Hers, those little hot and spicy puff chips or whatever it is, like didn't see those either in smaller markets, but in larger stores I am seeing the rest. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. If you are looking for some cheap snacks, or tomorrow you want to look for some of this clearance skincare, if you're going out to do some Sunday deals, definitely throw all of this on the list to walk down the snack aisle, clearance aisle, and then the skincare aisle. Good luck, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.